Write the next number, okay?
1, 2,
Okay, 2. Good job.
3, 4.
Alright, good job. Oops, 4 is here. Dito ko. Nag-reverse ka na naman. Hanggang to 4. Kaya nga dapat talaga pinapractice siya. The next number. What number is next?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, write number 5.
I'll make a bigger marble.
Good job. Next, 6, 7.
It's actually 7.
Yes po, it's 6, 7. Go, write number 7.
What is that called?
Okay, go na. Write na, 7.
1, 2, 7.
Good job. And then, po.
Daddy, find Mimic Cube.
Oo, he will find. 7.
8, 9, 10.
Oh, number 10. Write number 10. Bye-bye, Daddy. Take care.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, you see, I put 0 here. Gusto mo kami 0. Done na, it's done na. Next.
10, 11, 12.
Oh, write number 12.
How much 12?
Diba? 12 is number 1 and 2. Where's number 1?
1.
Here. 12, diba? See you.
What that?
Oh, oo. Diba 1, 11, and you always have 1 here. Okay. Okay, next. Number 12, that's next.
Nothing.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh, it's 13. 13 is number of, combination of
3.
1 and
3.
oh, 1 and 3. Oh, you write 1 muna.
3 and 1.
Good job. Next, number
1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15 combination of number of
5 and 1.
1 and 5. Pinagbabaliktad ko, anak. Oh, it's small only, not too big. How you gonna put your 1? Diba? It's
like
1
that.
and, oo. You write number 1 first.
1.
Okay, that's 51 na. I said 1 and 5. And the reverse
1
say, oh. And,
5.
no, you write your number 1 here and 5.
1 and 5.
Oh, 5 here.
What this?
Opo.
This. This.
Oh, see, that's 15 na, diba? Always start from 1 and 5. Oh, next, after?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
16?
18.
Oh, wrong. Again, you count. 0,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17.
17.
Alright. Oh, the combination of number 17 is 1
1
and 7.
1
Oh, 1 first, you need to write number 1 first. Alright, number 1. Give space. Oh, 1 and
and 7.
7. After 17,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh, 18. The combination number of 1 and 8. Good job. Ayan, you give space. Unang number 1. Oh, dito mo yung write yung number 1. Because if you write yung 8 na lang space. Oh, write number 1. 1 here.
1, 8.
See? Oh, next. After 18,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Right. Oh, the combination of 19 is a combination and
9.
1 and 9. Oh, you need to write number 1 first, then 9.
1
1, yeah.
and 9.
And 9. Good job. Oh, right.